Oh wow, okay. Alright guys, we got a good one today. We got an ATV or a side-by-side down a hill. They said it's about 150 to 200 feet. I guess they must have left it in neutral or something and it rolled down the hill and stopped into a tree. But this one should be pretty interesting. So I'll let you know when we get closer. See ya. I see it's way down there.
Yeah, so we kind of cleared the path.
Okay, sweet.
So we weren't quite sure because they kind of bump on the left side.
Okay.
And then, you know, it's fairly steep here, but it's better than the other side.
Yeah.
So I don't know what you suggest.
Will it still steer a little bit? Okay.
I think.
Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll get my hooks all the way on it and hook onto it so I can hold it.
Yeah.
And then I'll probably just have one of you steer it up and I'll just pull it all the way back up through here.
Okay.
And then
my husband got some change. You might want to go down and take a look.
Oh, okay.
When you get,
yeah.
So what would be the better way? Here, or we can do flat and go.
I think this should be fine because with this truck I have the heavy cables, so it should be able to pull that up no problem. And then what I might do is once I get the weight on there, I might just have one of you steer it. That way we can try to steer it right up the middle. Because once I get it to about here, I can just drive forward a little bit and pull it onto the road.
Yeah, what we want to do is pull it up to the driveway up there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
That should be okay.
Okay.
Or I'll go check the look real quick though before.
Take a look and see what you think.
Oh wow, okay. Okay, that's good too.
Is mine good enough, or you want to put yours on?
Yeah, this is actually good. I can hook right to that. That'll be good. There, and then.
It used to be right up against that
tree,
and I come along this.
Yeah.
This far, so.
It was a good thing the tree was there to stop it.
Yeah, would have.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll bring my line straight down and hook onto that there, and then once I get the weight on there, will it still run at all or drive or no?
It's been there 2 years.
Oh, 2 years. Okay. Yeah, no problem then.
I don't think so.
But
I don't want to try it.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about that then. I'll just have you. I'll have you kind of steer it, and then I'll just keep pulling it.
Where do you want it? About here?
Yeah, I'll pull up to about here, and then we can kind of just turn it straight, and then it'll pull straight to that cable there. Okay. And then we can just pull up the middle. Once we get close enough to that, I can just drive forward and just pull you back up, and then your driveway's just up the road a little bit.
Yeah, just the house up right
Oh,
there.
okay. Yeah, then we can just pull it over into your driveway. Oh, okay. That should be fine. But okay, I'll grab that cable there.
Be careful here, it's all muddy.
Oh yeah.
The worker here, he carrots this thing, that's why it's so steep.
Oh, okay.
Guard.
Oh, here we go. Make sure we have enough cable. Oh yeah, we should have plenty. Oh yeah. Go. There we go. Lock in there. All right, I'll get this tight first, and then we'll get it pulled just a little bit so we can take all that off.
Okay. So you want me to go about to here and then
Yeah.
start cranking it?
Yeah, you can crank it over to right here, and then once it gets to the opening, you can start cranking it up there.
Okay.
That should work fine. Get on this side so I can see. You want me to? You're. I got it locked on now. Okay, yeah. All right. All right, there we go.
It's stairs, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we can start turning it that way. right, there we go. And then, do you know which driveway is?
Yeah, just that paved driveway right there.
Oh, that paved driveway right there. Okay. Yeah, I'll lower this down here and then. Let's see here. That way, in case it rolls in the back, it'll just stop on those. Let's see here. If you want to hop inside here, I'm just going to drive forward. There we go.
Yeah, well, that's quick.
Yeah, that worked out real good there.
Yeah, well, it's like taking the shepherds and have them.
Yeah.
The only thing what happened to it was on the rear.
Oh, okay.
Where it hit the tree.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But other than that.
Yeah, the motor looks like it's okay. So yeah, they'll probably be able to get it going for you. Sweet. Oh, okay, no problem then. Have a good day. All right, everybody, we got that one out of the ditch there. I guess it had actually been there for around 2 years. And I'm not sure exactly how they got there because their address is up the road a little ways. It looks like, I don't know if it was left not in park or what, but it rolled all the way down the hill through those blackberry bushes and into that tree. They were able to pull it a little bit away from the tree with a come-along winch. This last weekend, when they called us for the tow, they cleared out a path with all that blackberry bushes and everything so we could get right down through there with the winch, and that helped out a ton. And then the owner of the four-wheeler, he helped steer it so that way it would track perfectly back up through that cut in the blackberry bushes. And once we got it back up on the road, luckily they only lived maybe a couple 100 feet, 200 feet up the road. I just left that one hook on there, had it in neutral, and I had him just steer it right behind me up to his driveway where we dropped it off. I'm glad you guys could be there with me and watch that one. I haven't had one like that in a while, so that one worked out pretty good. Hey guys, if you guys liked that video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, it really helps out. And yeah, I'll let you guys know when I get another one. See you later.